Hello, dear pupils, how are you? As you can see, teachers started online teaching. So, we also continue our lesson from Unit 4. Open your books at page 59, and you can see here the title is called Sports, Health, and Hobby. We will start our lesson from phonetics. So, here we have a poem. I'm going to read it and then you have to learn it. You're going to learn it and you will send me through WhatsApp. Assalomu alaykum hurmatli o'quvchilar. O'zingiz ko'rib turganingizdek, bugundan boshlab onlayn tarzda o'qishni boshladik. Hop, biz ham darsimizni, ingliz tilidagi darsimizni to'xtagan joyimizdan davom ettiramiz. 4-unitdan to'xtagan edik. Ya'ni bu yerda sports, health and hobby. Sport, sog'liq va hobby degan temaga keluvdik. Hop, bu yerda bizda she'rimiz bor. Men she'rni o'qib beraman. Keyin sizlar uni uyga vazifa bo'ladi, uni yodlab turib menga голосовойdan o'zimga lichkaga yozasizlar. In the morning the city spreads its wing, making a song in stone that sing. In the evening the city goes to bed, hanging lights about its head. This poem is by Hugus. So let's go to the next page and we have there proverbs. You will also learn proverbs. Bu yerda bizda maqollarimiz bor ekan. Bu maqollarni ham yodlaysizlar. Ikkita maqolimiz bor ekan o'zi. And after that we'll continue about sports. Now here we have a cluster or a mindset. We call it mindset. You are going to make your own mindset about sports. So how are you going to do this? I'll explain you. So we have many types of sports. So you will have to do two clusters about summer sports and winter sports. You have to write down there what game do we play during summer and what games or what sports do we play or going for during winter. And then you're going to take a picture of your notebook, of your sheets of paper, and you'll send me through WhatsApp. Hop, bu yerda mana exercise B, 2ni B'si sport haqida bo'lyapti. Sportda bu yerda klaster yozasizlar o'zingizlar. Bu yerga umumiy sport, hamma sport turini yozsanglar bo'ladi. Ya men undan tashqari ikkita vazifa beraman. Yozgi va qishki sport turlarini ham alohida qilib turib, uchta klasterni menga suratga olib daftardan jo'natasizlar. Hop, yozda qanday o'yinlar o'ynaladi? U bitta klaster bo'ladi. Misol uchun sport turlari ko'p. Futbol, voleybol, basketbol, tennis, yozgi sport turlari kiradi. Qishda bo'lsa, misol hokkey bo'lishi mumkin. Yana lija uchish, shular kabi sportlar kiradi. After that, we have a topic about sports in our life. You're going to read the whole topic and then you will tell me about your thoughts in this according to this topic. So we have new words here and you are going to learn new words too. If you find any new words in this text, you will learn them either. Hop, bu yerda undan keyin 3-exercise'da sports in our life, ya'ni sport bizning hayotimizdagi sportning roli degan mavzu ostida tekst bor. Shu tekstni o'qiysizlar. Keyin bu yerda yangi so'zlar berilgan. Going for sports degani sport bilan shug'ullanmoq. Participant, qatnashuvchi, biron bir musobaqaga qatnashishi mumkin. For example, we have 6 participants in our class. Bugun darsimizga 6 ta odam qatnashdi. Catch cold. Catch cold shamollab qolish. Keyingisi courageous. Ya'ni bu jasur, botir degan ma'noda. In the open air, ochiq havoda yoki toza havoda degani. Include o'zining ichiga olmoq. Mana so'zlarni yodlaysizlar. Keyin agar yangi so'z chiqadigan bo'lsa tekstdan, ya'ni ularni ham yodlaymiz. Okay, after finishing this text, we will have questions here. So this exercise will be your home task and you have to answer these questions according to the text and then you have to send me the picture of those answers. Tekst o'qib bo'lganimizdan keyin savollar bor. Tekstda keyingi exercise'da o'sha savollarga javob yozib daftarimizga menga jo'natib yuborasizlar. Men tekshirib baholayman. Klasterlarni baholayman. Keyin sport haqida bir muzika tashlab qo'yaman. Bu yana ham sizlarga ko'proq so'z o'rganishimizga yordam beradi. Shu bilan darsimizni tugatamiz. Agar savollaringiz bo'lsa, menga yozinglar, men javob beraman. Hech kimga yozsanglar javob beraman tushunmagan joylarda. Keyin hamma vazifalarni qilib menga jo'natinglar. Bo'lmasam kim vazifa qilmasa, darsda yo'q hisobida bo'ladi. Va bular keyinchalik jurnalga qo'yiladi, 4-oyga chiqarilayotganda. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day.